So exponential growth and decay formula. So exponential growth, now we have to see about the population, okay, bacteria, increase in bacteria and other things. So we have taken the investment now. Exponential growth is the formula for exponential growth is n is equal to n0 into 1 plus r in is to power t. Okay, so t is the exponential rate, r is the exponential rate, t is the time, amount, n is the amount that will come after time t. And r is greater than 0, it is growth, less than 0, it is decay. And if it is continuous exponential, similarly that we have seen in compound interest, continuous interest, continuously compounded, then we have e to the power this one. So similarly here also we have, if it is continuous, then we will use exponential power. Okay. So these two formulas we will use. Now we have one question. Decay continuous is similar to continuous compound interest. Growth can be continuously rather than yearly, monthly, hourly, or some time interval. It is continuously. So exponentially and continuously by, we will see now using exponential growth or decay. Here you can see Mexico has a population of approximately 110 million and continuously to growth described at the rate, to grow at the described rate is annually 1.42%. Then what will be its population after 10 years and 20 years? Population after 10 years and 20 years we have to calculate here. Okay, so the formula will be used, this one. N0 is, this is N0. This is N0, we used to write like this. And we have to find N. N means after 10 years and after 20 years, what will be the population? So N we have to find out, capital N we have to find out here in this formula. Rate of interest is given 1.42 annually. Time, first time is 10 years, we have to find after 10 years, then second question after 20 years. Okay. So there are two questions. First is annually. It is annually. So n is equal to N0. I told you N0 is 110 millions, means 6 zeros. Millions will have 6 zeros. And then formula is 1 plus rate of interest. Rate of interest is given in percentage. It should be converted into decimal. So this is R. I'll write here R is 1.42%. So always divide by 100. Decimal will move 2 places left side. So 0.0142 will be the value of R. 0.0142 raised to power t. Here time is 10 years and 20 years. So first we will put 10 years. We will calculate for 10 years, then 20 years. So 10 years. So 110,000,000 times 1.0142 raised to power 10. So this will be calculated by the calculator using the simple function, this power function. So I'll do it that will come. First you will have to type 1.0142, then press this button. Okay, then write 10, input 10. So your answer will come something 1.15142. I'll write here 1100000 times. This will give you the answer 1.15142,608 in the calculator, multiplied into times 1 1 1 meter 1.0142 raised to power 10 times 110000000. So it will be 126. We are getting 126,656, 8.8, so approximately 9. So this much will be the population of this of Mexico after 10 years. And after 20 years, we can find after 20 years also this, after 20 years also we have to find actually here. So for 20 years, 110000000 times 1.0142 raised to power 20. So this will be 1.0142 raised to power 20. Answer will be 110000000 times 1.32578. You can check in your calculator. That's why I'm writing it. You can check by your calculator, and this multiply by times 110000000. So this answer is coming 145. Same answer I'm getting 83602. Okay, so this is after 20 years, after 10 years, but compounded annually. So we are using this formula. And if it is compounded continuously, we have to use another formula. So we are going to that part. So in continuously growing, the formula will be changed because it is given continuously. So the formula will be equal to n is equal to n0 into e raised to power kt. So for 10 years, k is the same that we are using for r. Here k will be equal to that we have taken for r. Here k will be equal to 0.0142, and time is 10 years, first 10 years, and so therefore the population after 10 years will be equal to n0, that is 110 million into e to the power kt. Kt is what? 0.0142 times 10. So it is here more visible. We can say that this will be equal to into e raised to power, then multiply by 10. This decimal will move to one place. So this will become 0.142. E raised to power 0.142. You multiply 10 times 0.0142, it will become 0.142 times. So you can calculate by using the calculator e to the power this one. So press shift, then e power is 0.142. So the result is 1.152576649 times 110000000. So you get the answer that is correct. 126783431.3, so 431 approximately. That's why we are using the approximation sign. So this will be the population after I have taken how many years? 10 years. After 10 years, this is this one. Similarly, we can find after 20 years, this power, this will be multiplied by 20, then we can calculate. Now we have given one question. We can do it, but 10, you can do it, I'll tell you because 2-3 minutes are left. I'll give you some more time. This is what your initial population. No, the population of a town is declining at the rate of 6%. Now it is decreasing at the rate of 6%, and the current population is this one. So here current population is N. N is 12,426. This is the current population and declining at the rate of 6%. I will take another screenshot. Okay. So whenever population is declining means it is decreasing. Okay. It is decreasing. When it is decreasing, we can take r is equal to 0. Let us take the negative value minus 0.06. In that formula, you will take minus 0.06 because it is declining. So the and n is n0 is you have given 12,000 n0. This is n0 12,426. So after 5 years, what will be the population? Means it will decrease. It will be less than this one. So in that case, we will have n is equal to n0. The formula will be same 1 plus r to the power t. It is annually. So therefore, n0 is 12,426. But here 1 minus 0.06 will come. Raised to power t, that is 5 years. So you will get 1 minus 0.06, that is 0.94. So this is times 12,426 times 0.94 raised to power 5. So 0.94 raised to power 5 after 5 years, this will become 12,426 times 0.94. 733904022 times 12,426. So our answer is 9,119 approximately. So the population will decrease to 9,000 because it is decreasing at the rate of 6% annually. And when it is continuously, so our formula will be changed. This will become this formula.
Are you writing or I didn't see you?
You cannot see. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. I think. Yeah. Sorry.
Redo the recording. Better.
Yeah. Recording is going on. I'll explain it. Yes. Here now. Can you see now? This is written here.
Yeah.
Yes. So now N0 is I have taken N0 as 12,426. Okay. And rate is negative because it is decreasing. Okay. So we will take negative. So R is negative. We will put negative here. N0 is 12,426. So 1 minus 0.06, it will become 0.94 raised to power 5. Okay. So this will be calculated and this will be 12,426. So we are getting 9,119. The population after 5 years, it will decrease to 9,000 because it is declining. So after 5 years, it will become this one. But it is annually. Now if it is given continuously, we will use this formula. So here for continuously, I'll do it here. For continuously, n is equal to the formula will be n0. N0 is 12,426 into e raised to power k. K is negative minus 0.06 times. Actually, we have to find both
It is
after
negative.
5 years.
It is negative because it is written declining.
Yes, that's why negative. Yeah.
Yeah, when it is declining, the rate is going to be okay minus.
Yeah. So time is 5 years. So here 5 years. This also we have to calculate for 10 years. So you have to put here 10 years. You can calculate for 10 years annually. Now continuously we are doing for 5 years. Then you can do it for 10 years both. Okay. So this will become 12,426 times e raised to power 0.06 into 5. I'll write it here. This is negative, but 0.06 times into 5. So 0.06 times 5 will be 0.3 negative. This will become negative 0.3. Now find the value of negative 0.3. So shift exponential negative 0.3. I'll tell shift exponential function negative 0.3. So you are getting answer 12,426. You can check in your calculator 0.74081822 times multiplied by or times 12,426. So answer is again less 9,205 approximately. This will be the population after 5 years. If it is continuously declining, then this one. If it is annually declining, this one. And this is after 5 years. we have to calculate actually in the question after 5 years and prediction after 10 years also. So the same thing here, we will do it here. I can do it here for 10 years also. So only the change is here. Instead of this 5, we will put 10. So we can do it for annually 10 years. I'll do it here. 1 minute. Here after 10 years, n will be equal to 10 years. After 10 years, prediction after 10 years, the population in Mexico, 12,426 into 0.94 raised to power 10. Okay, so 0.94 raised to power 10. So you can see.
Does Yusuf know? Okay, where it is come? Okay, like 0.94 of the power 10. Okay, there is a formula I think in the calculator.
Yeah, it's when you press
I
mod,
told
you can easily solve it, by the way.
Yeah, I told 3. Yeah, it is decreasing. That's why 0.94 is coming. Otherwise, 1.06 raised to power 10 will come. 86. Same thing I'm doing this one. This is step. Instead of 5, putting 10. That's it only. Okay, so then you can get the answer as 12,426 times. Your answer will be equal to, after 10 years, it will be more or less because the population is decreasing. So this will become 6,000, approximately 6,692. 692. It will be 92 people after 10 years when it is annually, and when it is continuously, same thing here, we can put 10 instead of 5. So the answer will be for 10 years. For 10 years, you can write properly. Wherever I'm getting the space, I'm writing. So n is equal to 12,426 into e raised to power minus 0.06 into 10. So when you are multiplying, you are getting 12,426 into e raised to power 0.06 into 10. So minus 0.6, because when you are multiplying 10, decimal will move. So e raised to power minus 0.6. Find this value, 12,426 times this value. I can do it. Shift exponential negative 0.6. The value is coming 0.54881 something more. Then the answer is
Separator, put a line under it so he cannot confuse.
yeah. I put them. This is separated from this. So you are multiply this into 12,426. So 6,000 something you are getting here. Answer I will write here with black. 6,800 810, about 9.5 is 10. So 6,810. So after 10 years, the population will become 6,810 if it is continuously declining. Okay. And after 5 years, it will become 9,205 if it is continuously declining. And if it is annually declining given rate, then it is after 5 years 9,119. After 10 years, this will be. That is the answer of this question.